Hi, today I'll be showing you how to complete the square. So let's do an example, then I'll show you 3 easy steps that we need to follow to do this question. So we have the question, it says express x squared minus 10x plus 18 in the form of a in brackets x plus p squared plus q. Right. So once you see this, they're just basically trying to tell us that we need to complete the square. So in order to complete the square, we need to follow these 3 basic steps here. So the first step is to make sure that the quadratic expression is in the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1. So always make sure that a is equals to 1 in this case. Then the second step is to plug values into this formula here, which is in brackets x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. Then the third step, which is simply simplify. Alright, so let's follow the steps using this example. So let's look at our a here. So a in this case is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x squared, right? So it's just simply 1. Then our b is equal to negative 10, right? Then our c is equal to 18. So that's the first step, right? We make sure that the quadratic is in this form here. And then we just take down our values. So in this case, a is already equal to 1. Then the second step, we need to plug in the values of b into this formula here. So what do we have? We have x plus b over 2. In this case, b is equal to negative 10, right? So we just replace it. So it's negative 10 squared, right? Minus b, in this case, b is 10 over 2 squared. Then one thing you must remember here is what this expression is doing, this one, x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared, is simply simplifying this part here, right? So we'll still need to take back the c here. So in this case, the c is plus 18, right? So let's do the third step, which is just simplifying. So what we're going to have is x plus negative 10 divided by 2 is simply negative 5. Put back the square minus, here it's negative 10 over 2 will give us negative 5 squared. Then we just bring back the 18, right? Then we just simplify further. Here it becomes x minus 5 squared. Right here we've got minus, so negative 5 squared is 25, right? So this is 25 plus 18. Right, so let's simplify. So it becomes x minus 5 x squared. Then negative 25 plus 18 here will just give us 7. Right, so this is our final answer here. So what you can see here is this is already in this form that the question is asking for, x plus p squared plus q. So this is the form that the question is asking for, which is basically completing the square. All right, bye.